This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a chicken stew Chinese style. This is a classic comfort food for most families here, but this is not a common item found in coffee shops and hawker centers. This Chinese style chicken stew is a convenient one-pot dish that's great to serve over rice. Also try pouring this over noodles or serving this with white toasted bread.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
I have here 1 kilogram of chicken thighs. You can use chopped up chicken as well. Marinate this with 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Taucheo or preserved bean paste. Also add in a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. You will also need 200 grams of white carrot or daikon radish. That is about half of this. And 200 grams of carrots. I'll do a simple roll cut for both these carrots. In addition, I have here 3 cloves of garlic, 3 slices of ginger, and 1 large onion. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Fry the garlic, ginger, and onions till it's fragrant. That's about 30 seconds. Turn up the heat and add in the chicken. Now, fry the chicken till the outside turns slightly white. Add in the daikon radish and the carrots. Add enough water to just cover the chicken. Bring this to a boil, then lower the heat to medium. Cover and simmer this for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the water would have evaporated a little. Taste and adjust for seasoning. I need a little more salt and soya sauce here. Thicken the stew by mixing in some cornstarch mixture. That's 3 teaspoons of cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. You do not need to use all the cornstarch slurry. Put in a little at a time and stir the stew till you achieve the consistency you want. This is chicken stew Chinese style.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.